Number 3 on
what?
extra proofs. Can I borrow yours? Okay. Number 3 on extra proofs given KM. So I've got KM in L. That's congruent. So I've got given. That's KM congruent to NL. And I've got KL congruent to NM. And I am trying to prove that angle K is congruent to angle N. Alright, are we all good? Okay, why is this one difficult for you?
You kind of chose it.
Okay, do you know, is the problem like you don't know if it's side, angle side? Is that what your problem is?
No, I know it.
Side. Okay. Jorge, what's your problem on this one? Like, why is this one difficult?
I didn't find it.
You didn't find this one difficult. Oh, okay. Anybody else find this one difficult?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what's difficult about it. I just think it's difficult.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what exactly it is.
I guess we can go with side.
Okay. All right.
Because it's not looking for the triangle.
Right. It's not looking for the
the
triangle.
angle.
Yeah,
but I don't know how.
Okay. Sometimes that's difficult because everybody usually, whenever they see triangle congruent to triangle, they can figure out, oh, all I need is a checklist, side, angle, side, so then you just go start going through. But this becomes a little bit more difficult because you don't have that checklist to go through. Okay? So, let's just do this. KM is congruent to NL, and we have KL congruent to NM. So without ever walking through a proof, what path do you think you would like to choose? Side. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's going to be my checklist, right?
Yes.
Now, all right, let's pretend. Here's the idea of pretending. Because this down here doesn't require my triangles. Okay, it's not asking for triangles, right? But let's pretend for a second that I could prove my triangle's congruent. So let's pretend for a second that I get triangle KML congruent to something. Now, am I going to do KML to what?
L and N. No,
Okay.
L and N.
Okay.
No, wait, N.
All right.
N N.
Here's how it goes. Right.
N L M.
I started at K, right? I started at the end of a 1 tick mark, and I went to the end of that same tick mark. So what are my options now? I either do LN or NL, right? Okay? And then I go through the reflexive side or I go through the unknown side. Does that make sense? So I have to follow that same order down here. So what order do I? If I go KML, what do you have to do? NLM. Okay. So triangle NLM. Does that make sense? Okay, good. If our order is right and our order is dead on, watch what happens. I don't know exactly why. I think we're going for side. Okay? But if our order is dead on, guess what you know about angle K and angle N? They have to be congruent. Why? They're in the same slot, right?
Yeah.
So if the triangles are ever congruent and what you need is in the same slot, then go ahead and put them congruent. So angle K has to be congruent to angle N. Why?
CPCTC.
And what does CPCTC mean? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. These are corresponding, right?
Yes.
What does corresponding mean? They're in the same slot, same space, same position, all those words, right? So since they're in the same slot, are their triangles congruent? Yes. So since the triangles are congruent and they're in the same slot, then the parts are congruent. So the parts are congruent because CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent.
And that's when you're going to fill in. Yep, keep on going.
Congruent triangles are congruent. And that's all those boxes. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Ta-da! Yay. Okay, so let's write a proof.
Yeah.
Statements Reason. I like to talk French. KM is congruent to what? NL? KL is congruent to NM. Why? Give on. Number 2.
LM is
congruent to what?
congruent to LM.
Okay, I'm going to put LM congruent to, and I shall pause.
Is it NL?
I don't know, why are you asking me?
Yeah.
Wait,
I forgot how to do
yeah,
that.
no, it's in the.
Okay, follow pattern. Follow pattern. Follow pattern. If you say LM on the top triangle, you're starting at the end of the second tick mark and going through the line, right? So follow the same pattern. Start at the end of the second tick mark and go through the line. So what is it? ML. Why? Reflexive. And for quiz tomorrow, if you put reflex POC, I'm okay with that. Property of congruence.
But just reflexive property.
Reflexive property, I'll take it. I'll be a little lenient on that part. Can we say triangles congruent yet? What if
Yes.
you say no?
Because you've
Why?
got
Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
You don't know?
Uh,
What do you say?
you got 3 sides.
You got 3 sides.
You can
You
Yeah.
say triangles congruent?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for being confident. Number 3, what is it?
Come on, Jerry.
Triangle what?
KML is
Okay, so
congruent.
if I say triangle KML, what do you have to say?
NLM.
NLM.
The
There you go.
triangle MKL and LNM.
Okay, what do we say? What did you say? K, what? I'm sorry.
MKL
MKL
and LNN.
to LMN.
No, LNN.
L-
Sorry.
Get it right. Okay, do we agree or disagree with her?
I agree.
We agree? So if
Oh,
she
yeah,
says
Perfect.
MKL, what would you have to say?
LNN.
So would it be definition?
And that's side,
Yeah,
side,
that
side.
works. Okay, so why are they?
Side, side, side.
Side. Number
Side,
4.
side, side.
Good. Angle K congruent to
Angle N.
N. Why?
CPCTC.
What's, uh-oh. What does CPC stand for?
Corresponding partial congruency.
Just don't read it. Everybody can read it. What CPCTC stand for?
Corresponding parts of triangles are.
Good, well done. Okay, do we have a question on this?
No.
Are we good?
Yes.
Does this help any?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes?
It really
Good.
did.
Did it go up a level, or did it
Yes.
just
I
answer the
had it
question?
right.
Did you go up a level, or did you do what you just answer the question? Yeah, okay,
Maybe like
What about you? Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
But I just need to do a hard one.
Can we do
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, I feel like a hard one.
Like this, like something I've
I
done.
can do Bruce all day
For
long.
this one.
all day long.
All day long.
can we do 10 on the
Why is he doing the
Can
French?
you stop that?
Because he liked to speak
Thank you.
French.